How to add a tape stop or tape start effect in Logic Pro X. I actually just did this too, but I think I flew by it and you guys probably missed it. So we just want to grab our bar, audio file, fade back as far back as you want to tape stop it, and then control click here and you'll have slow down or fade. So we choose slow down. Then to start again, we control click, do the reverse, fade in on a bar, control click here and speed up. So now it'll stop and start again right here. That's how I did all the tape stops. So now I can just give you guys a better example by dragging it all the way back here and it'll stop and drop slowly. Now I have a secret. There's another way to do this. We're going to go to our effects. We're going to go to specialized and we're going to go to remix effects. This also has a real time tape stop. Okay. So you can automate this if you want to as well. And that's how to add a tape stop in Logic Pro X.